Wow, another small Monday. Well, now that you were in my office, I have something to tell you. It's not really something before, but I have some problems. So basically, I didn't have time to eat lunch, so I was very hungry. My stomach was growling all day. And also I have no food in my fridge. So here I am, in my office, hungry as hell right now. Do you hear that? Yep, my empty stomach. What? You want to list in my belly? Oh, you too small. Well, I'll put you in my belly so you can list in it. Too loud, huh? Well, I haven't eaten anything for like a week, but you probably will be my food. I'm sorry, but you look so tasty. I don't feel like holding it any longer. I hope you taste so good. Maybe just a little lick. I'm sorry, Monty. I would let you go, but I can't. You taste so amazing. You'll be staying here for a while. Finally, I can get back to work.